Hello friends, hope you're all good. Today we're going to make a bird called a crane, and for this craft you'll need only a piece of square paper. So let's start. The first step is to fold it into a triangle. So make it all equal and crease it there. And you want sharp points right there. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Line up right there and fold it right there, crease it, and if it doesn't come out so well, you can just try it out again. So that's okay. So now we're going to open it up and fold it in half. So do it like that and line up the edge. Fold down and crease. You want it nice and crispy. So we do the same for the other side. Line it up. And then crease. Now we're going to make a squash fold. So you're going to take those two triangles, push them in, and do that. And see that pocket? Just flip it in like that, and then crease it all down. So we want this side down right there, where all the flappy things are. Now we're going to fold it like this on both sides. There we go. Now we're going to fold this top piece down to that edge right there. Crease it down and fold it over. You want it nice and straight. Now we're going to make another square fold. So we're going to open it up, fold it against that line, and then squash it down. If it rips, it's okay. That probably won't show up. And it's the shape of a kite. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Fold it like that. Make it equal. Fold that bit down. Fold it up again. And then open that bit up and crease it down. This step's a bit hard, but you'll get the hang of it. So now we're going to turn it over like that and fold it right here into the middle. Do it here as well. And crease it down. Now I'm going to fold that bit over like that. Then turn over, do the same. Do that. And do that again. Now we're going to make it like that. So you have to have two sides on each far side. So you have it like that on both sides. Now we're just going to fold it down like that. And do the same like that. Right there. Now we're going to turn it over again like that. now we're nearly finished, so all you have to do is leave a bit of that triangle up like that. So these are going to create the wings of the bird. Do the same for the other side. Hold it down like that. Now I'm going to take that bit right there, then just crease it down like that. Then open it up, and you want to push that triangle thing down a bit and pull it out. Then do the wings like that. So that's our finished crane right there. That's the head and that's the tail. Oh, and you might want to fold it out a bit like that. And do the same with the head. So it looks a bit realistic. And crease those edges right there. There you go. So we did that to stop it folding in right there, so it can actually look like its head and things are not going in like that. So that's the finished crane. So another tip is, see those bits right there, fold them out like that, and then you can make it stand. So you might need loads of practice for this, and here's a fact: every Japanese person has to learn to do this. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.